Oh, hey! Spalted Huon Pine Pen Blank! Look! Spalted Huon Pine Pen Blank? Spalted Huon Pine Pen Blank? Ooh! Spalted Huon Pine Pen Blank? That's what I said. Spalted Huon Pine Pen Blank. Let's turn it! Spalted Huon Pine Pen Blank. How fancy. Now, the reason why this pen is unique, or this blank is unique, is Huon pine is one of those woods that's known not to rot, or it takes a very, very long time for it to rot. So to have a spalted piece of Huon pine is a unique, provided it stays together. I've pretty much super glued the outside of this, so kind of stabilizes it. Yeah. You know how to make a pen. There's some bushings. These are for the monogram.
Monogram! There's a bit of gunk in there. Oh well, yeah. My something. Kenneth? Do I have a Kenneth around? A Kenneth! Has anyone seen my Kenneth? No? Alright. No worries, I get the gunk out with a stick. Pushing. 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 Spacer. Manual saver. You could have said something, my Kenneth was right there. Right. Where's my little tools?
Okay, while this is drying, I've got 2 stickers this week. I've got one from Steve's Custom Carvings. He's on Instagram. I'll leave a link below. And the other one I've gotten is the Grant Alexander sticker. This guy does awesome things with wood. Just like me. Anyway, go check him out, go check his YouTube channel out, and follow him on Instagram. Still wet. One spalted hewn pine pen. Spalted hewn pine pen. This video started about 2 months ago, and I completely forgot where this pen was until I started cleaning the shop. But I found it back, and I have turned it. Not turned out okay. Had to fill a lot of the voids with super glue or CA glue, but it is pretty. Unusual, rare. Like I said, hewn pine decomposes very, very slowly because of the oil content in it. Hence the reason why it was used for shipbuilding. So a lot of boats used to use hewn pine because of their water ability. Yes. Anyway, this is my hewn pine pen. I'm going to keep this one. This one's not for sale. Sorry. This one's mine. And I'll see you all soon. Black eye's getting better. It's been a week. It's better. Stay awesome. Remember, you are awesome. And never give up. Because fail only ever means first attempt in learning. I'll see you all very soon. See yous. Hewn pine spalted hewn pine pen. Pen hewn pine spalted. See yous.